Are you excited about building the future? Civil engineering shapes our world. Roads, bridges, and buildings are essential. But how do you become a successful civil engineer? First, get a solid education. Start with a bachelor's degree. Focus on math and physics. Understanding these subjects is crucial for your success. Next, gain practical experience. Internships provide real-world knowledge. Look for opportunities in local engineering firms. After education, consider certification. Becoming a professional engineer, PE, elevates your career. It shows expertise and commitment to the field. Networking is also vital. Join engineering organizations and attend events. Meet professionals and peers to exchange ideas and opportunities. Continue learning. Engineering evolves with technology. Stay updated with new tools and techniques. Online courses and workshops can help. Finally, develop strong communication skills. Engineers often present ideas to teams and clients. Clear communication ensures everyone understands your vision. In summary, to become a successful civil engineer, obtain a solid education. 2. Gain practical experience. Pavate 3. Get certified. Or network within the industry. We keep learning. Enhance communication skills. Ready to build your future? Start your journey today. Subscribe for more tips on success in engineering.